GENX provides low-cost, web-based building automation at half the price. Today, we will review our GENX to control VVT systems and multiple RTU or splits, giving you real-time access to the job, every unit and every thermostat from the Zonex app and a smartphone or mobile device from anywhere. The GENX Bypass VAV product utilizes color touchscreen thermostats controlling fully modulating dampers, providing remote internet access and system control using the free mobile app for iOS or Android phones, or accessible from any computer browser, providing complete system control right in the palm of your hand. GENX is the industry's easiest commercial control system to install, operate, and wire. It's a real value, and now equipped with color touchscreen thermostats, BACnet IP, FDD inputs, ADR, and email alerts, and much more. GENX is a very effective solution and a great alternate to more complex and costly systems. GENX control wiring is straightforward. Just pull 24 volts and a twisted pair communications loop, daisy chain from stat to stat with no home runs. The system includes an onboard diagnostic to identify and lead you to wiring errors in seconds. LAT or leaving air temperature sensors are also included to monitor and protect the equipment. GENX is Bypass VAV simplified. The system also supports VAV boxes and VFD applications if required. GENX gives you the ability to control multiple zoned or standalone systems from anywhere. To incorporate a standalone unit, simply pick up power and the communications bus from anywhere to control and network 3, 23, 103, or more standalone units, all accessible, all controllable via the mobile app. Every Easy Touch thermostat is equipped with auxiliary contacts to energize and control your specific supplemental heat source if required. Let's review this killer app and some of its features. The overview page provides a quick look at each zone and its operating status. Active heat calls are displayed in red, active cool calls in blue, and zones that are satisfied display their set point temperatures in black. We provide an onboard diagnostic that is very useful, providing the contractor with information on the number of thermostats in the system, along with return air, supply air, and outside air temperatures. GENX is a vote-based system. Our algorithm is based on a first call, first serve, majority wins on changeover. Every minute, every thermostat is pulled in the system, and the diagnostic tracks the number of cooling versus heating votes and the current system status based on active calls in the system. This feature keeps the contractor updated on real-time events on the job. Additionally, all thermostats report whether they are active, off, or experiencing communication or wiring errors. A stat with a green name is good to go. But let's look at stat 12. In red, has an error message that says check wiring. This information is huge and saves the contractor time, directing the contractor to any wiring errors in the system fast. As you know, on other systems, it can take hours or days to wring out the wiring. GENX makes it fast and easy, making this diagnostic an invaluable and time-saving tool for the contractor to quickly troubleshoot the system. System setup from the mobile app is easy. Simply select the type of unit to be controlled: gas, heat pump, electric, and even VRF systems. This slide displays the stat on the app. It's full of information and easy to make temperature updates. A red and blue dot reside on the ring of comfort. Simply rotate the red dot to make updates or changes to the heating set point, or the blue dot to modify the cooling set point. The Gen UC is designed to network and control standalone equipment with all the features and access of the mobile app. Again, for Androids, iOS, or accessible from any computer or browser. The Relay X provides additional control for up to 5 generic loads in your system, like pumps, lights, or exhaust fans. All can be controlled and scheduled from the mobile app. If you have more than 5 devices, simply add an additional Relay X. We hear a lot about old zoning systems like Parker, Carrier VVT, and others your customers need to update. And replacement parts are not available, making for unhappy customers. Zonex has a solution. It's quick, easy, and low cost. Use the GENX to retrofit that old system and use the existing dampers on the job. Yes, you won't pull out old dampers. Don't need to buy new ones or provide labor to install new dampers. A quick solution to upgrade old systems to the 21st century with GENX. Zonex offers 600 unique sizes of round and rectangular dampers to meet most any commercial requirement. We'll build 6-inch to 24-inch round, 6x6 to 80x80 rectangular. Zonex dampers are all equipped with Belimo actuators and designed to support up to 1 3/4 inches of static. Zonex provides rooftop zoning that won't break the bank. Zonex provides VVT solutions that are easy to install and price to help you compete. GENX provides you with an unbelievable amount of information and a new platform and generation of unitary and VVT type control. It's never been so easy to get so much control without spending thousands on high-priced and complex control systems. The phone app and cloud-based system allow you to do more from more places. GENX, providing effective HVAC control right in the palm of your hand.